In front of me is Motorola Razr Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can change the fold apps. First of all, you need to find settings and click on them. Then scroll to choose apps, and when you're ready, hit the fold apps under general. Then select one of those sections you wanna manage. For example, I wish to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app, select Firefox to apply it as my new default, and go back. All of your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!